You got some Sam. You got
got
some
some
Coca-Cola. I need a drink.
Sam's Cola?
Give me a drink.
Man.
I need a drink.
That
Y'all
was
don't like me
something
anymore.
inside of the box.
Sam's Cola.
Give me a drink.
I can't usually drink them, unless I know what kind of drink it is.
Your scissors wood at your feet. While ago.
Get it, sissy, get it.
That's supposed to sit at Mom's house.
Yeah.
Let's drink.
Oh.
Oh man. Beautiful. It's a scarf. It's a
This
cardboard.
to me like all these other parents do to their children.
It's a
What?
cardboard scarf.
Oh, it's another present. Another present? All right. Get it, Abby, get it.
Oh my goodness, look at that tape. I want to put that duct tape next to that.
What do you got, Abby? Another box? What is another present? See, you have more presents than Dustin. You just didn't even know it.
They're presents in orange. Oh my god.
That's messy.
What is it, Abby? What is it? Let me see.
Brand new in the case, sir.
You got to
Brand new, not used or nothing.
get your scissors. You got to cut the tape.
I don't know where the scissors went.
Oh, they're right there by your foot, sissy.
Impossible.
Oh, this fell out.
It's so shiny I could die. Let me see.